Run.
А всего лишь петуньи и...
La seconde boulangerie du jour réserve-t-elle à notre jury?
'Cause all you ever do is make me
So I noticed that my cat's been going through her water pretty quickly lately, so I decided to fill it up downstairs instead and watch her today. This is why you can't have nice things.
Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Come on. Good.
Pop the package up here.
Number 30. Do you know sine 2x over x?
Do 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 do. Do 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 do.
Hey, you get down the fiddle and you get down the bowl.
No, Mister. That's what I thought.
Look at the way he's just holding the camera.
Left field. Back on it, Dwight Smith. In the corner, reaches up and made the catch!
200 damn voicemails and you still ain't call me back? That's okay, because I followed you home. I see.
Oh, hey there, little girl. Want to go for a swim?
With that big fat butt. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Oh!